What's going on, guys? I'm Michael Alvarez, and today I popped a button, and so we're gonna make a button. I need to replace this button, and what I like to make my buttons out of is old coins. I like to use pennies or whatever the hell I can find. I got a bag of coins, and we're gonna go find a nice old penny, something that's already patinaed, gives a nice little character to your attire or traveler look or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, make a penny button. We're gonna make a penny button. We're gonna make a penny button. Okay, so first things first, grab your pot of gold, your bag of gold. We're gonna search for a nice old looking penny. So first things first is we're gonna take this penny, we need to make it a little fatter. So we do that by hitting it with a hammer. So if you got a little anvil, that works great. Hell, that piece of railroad rail would work pretty well too. But I got a little jeweler's anvil, and I love using this thing for this. If you want a smooth surface, I would recommend having a polished anvil and a polished hammer. The smoother the hammer, it's gonna leave exactly what's on the end of that. So if you're looking for a really polished look, and you can also afterwards go and polish it too, but the more you put in the beginning, the more you get out in the end. Less effort you gotta work at in the end. So to do this, just little taps. You don't want to bend it too fast, too hard. And just tap, tap, tap. And then what I do is I take a bit that's slightly larger and use that to deburr the holes. And that is it. There you go. A nice penny button. And yeah, again, take it on your own. Do whatever you want with it. I want to give a special thanks to Kyler Bleekman for providing the music for this video. You can find a link to his music in the description, and thanks for watching.